Guys,
Gabi naman ang mga
oh,
kamay.
I-rate natin yung Blink Twice ng Billy.
Grabe ang bawa.
Ito na lang guys, pakita ko sa inyo.
Grabe naman ang mga kamay na yan. Mag-rate kami ng Billy na
1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
Wow.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy. Yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my
Guys, naibahan ako sa boses ni Alia.
Hindi ka mag-decision sa kanya.
True. Kasi guys, alam,
May pa-effect sila guys na parang dito.
parang may kanmaloy.
Yeah, sobrang ganda.
Rate ko sa kanila is 1 million na tayo.
maybe add a little spice if you try to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice.
Second time ko na to guys, papanoorin.
Ang ganda guys nila. May mga paano sila.
Going crazy, baby, no, don't be
Hello,
lazy.
ganda
Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me.
Sagot ka nila sa ganda. At si Gwen.
Ready or not, don't you leave me waiting.
May mga patans pa
I'm
sila.
lost inside your world, you got that symphony.
Diba? Ang ganda nila.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you try to roll the dice, let me give you some advice.
Ang
ganda guys ni Maloy.
CCTV na.
Ang ganda ni Maloy. Ano ba yun? Pambigay. Pambigay.
Continue.
Continue natin. Gabi na mga kamay.
If you let me blink twice, he's not even thinking.
Wow, pa-transfer siya guys.
Maybe he's just looking.
Continue guys.
You really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Guys, marami sila nagbabash pero
Promise.
ang ganda nila.
Maybe he's just looking at
Yung mga guys
Ganda,
na
guys.
ganito.
Ang ganda. All in all, sobrang ganda talaga.
So, ang rate namin sa kanila is
Ikaw na eh. Ikaw muna.
10 over 10.
Ikaw.
10 over 10.
Ako siguro. Kasi sobrang ganda. 10 out of 10 syempre. Parang di ka nag-iisip. Tignan nyo naman. Stream nyo na sila
Ang
guys.
ganda siya guys.
Stream nyo na sa
Ayan guys,
YouTube channel nila. So, dito na mag-end yung vlog. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Yun lang.
Bye-bye.